So we just bought a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and we are driving it. It used to be a FedEx truck, and apparently FedEx puts a governor on their van, which they didn't tell us until we already bought it. So Ken is currently in front of me driving it. He can only go 65 at the fastest, but he said if he goes uphill, it slows down to like 40 miles an hour, and he can't go any faster. I had called the guy that we bought it from, and he messaged me back saying that it can be taken off, but we have a 2.5 hour drive home. So Ken is not super happy right now, and I am hoping that we can get that removed for fairly inexpensive, and it'll be better. But we got a Sprinter van, and I'm excited. I just hope that it's not a big headache. So we will update you. This is our van. It is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter that we are going to turn into a camper van. It has 248,000 miles on it. Tear stuff out, we're gonna have to take these shelves out first, and then we'll be taking these like